Hey guys, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So this is a quick video in regards to silk pressing very long hair. So my client here came in, as I said, for a silk press with the works. And for those of you that don't know what the silk press with the works service is in my salon, that is a shampoo treatment, which is a deep conditioning treatment, whether it be hydration, strength, or whatever is needed, and then a silk press and a trim. Now, I see her probably once or twice a year, depending on what she has going on. And her hair is just in amazing condition. When we shampooed her hair, I did use our newest line, which is our Detox line, which I'll tell you guys more about the products that were used at the end of the video. But if you notice, when I'm silking her, her hair is extremely shiny, which I absolutely love the luster. And I am doing it in about 1 to 1/4 inch sections. Now, even though she has very long hair, her hair texture is actually fine textured. So when I catered my service, I'm going to make sure that I'm not using products that are extremely heavy. The first thing people want to do with hair of her length is use heavy products because they think that it's going to be uneasy or not so easy to manage, when that's actually the opposite. Her hair likes lightweight products. Her hair is considered high porosity. So with high porosity hair, you do want to try to stay away from a lot of moisture, but you want to make sure that that hair is clean and you are doing your absolute best in regards to strengthening. And don't add more moisture, because if I did add moisture as I was silking her hair, you'd notice that the ends of her hair got extremely heavy or they'd be extremely oily. And that is the worst thing that you can do with long, fine textured hair. Absolutely no. So for her silk out, I'm using a titanium iron, but as I said, I am doing larger sections. And I am one of those stylists where I try to eliminate multiple passes. So the most I'll pass over a strand is 2 passes, and that is if the hair is really, really stubborn. But even at that point, I try not to, because my goal is, of course, yes, I want longevity of my client's silk press, but this is more a style. This is merely a style. It is nothing more than a style. It is not permanent. It is not something that she is going to be able to keep for a very long time. Okay. So my goal is to make sure that she can revert and that that hair is in optimal shape. It is in the best condition that it can be without the additional heat damage added. I'm sure she didn't book her service and ask for heat damage with it. Right. So what I'm doing is giving her a long layer trim. I'm not taking too much off. If you notice, right in the middle of the cut vest, she does have a little gap there. That didn't mean, okay, go ahead and just take the hair all the way up. That gap can actually grow in, and over time, as we trim, everything will fill itself out. It doesn't necessarily require me to just go straight in and say, okay, we need to go above the gap. Some people do, some people don't. It's really up to the client and how the client wants to treat that section. For her, of course, her length matters, and there's nothing wrong with that. So I just made sure to just give her exactly what a trim is, light dusting of the ends. Now, this that I'm doing is a way for you to be able to keep the body in your hair, but also keep the hair, I don't want to say flat, but smooth. So this is what we call a body bun. You can make the hair as curly or as straight as you want. And it's really just a very large pin curl. It's actually one big pin curl. Sometimes you can split it into 2. Sometimes you can split it into 3. But what this does is allow her hair to actually keep the body instead of making everything go flat. It keeps the shape of the curl. Okay, so if you want to try this at home, you definitely can. But that's really it, guys. That's how it's done. And I did use 2 long bobby pins to secure it. But keep in mind, where you place your bobby pins will determine if you have a line in your bun. So the products that I used on her hair were our Detox shampoo, our Detox conditioner. But before I actually used the conditioner, I did use our Detox mask. This mask is absolutely amazing. It is made, of course, with clay. When you put it on the hair, it literally detangles the hair almost on the instant. It softens the hair. Even though it's considered a detox, It does not leave the hair feeling hard and crunchy, which is very important. And then I followed it up with our Detox conditioner just to rehydrate the hair slightly, of course, to seal that cuticle, and then I rinse with cool water. Don't forget to thumbs up my video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thanks for watching.